What's up, YouTube? Kevin here, Captain Hooked Fishing. I'm back at Quacker's. It's Thursday. Just got off work a little while ago. Gonna hit it again. It's kind of overcast, kind of cloudy. We got no wind. It's supposed to rain here in a little while, but it's probably about 64, 65 degrees out. Feels great out right now. So I'm gonna see what I can come up with here. I'm gonna try some of these things I got out of the mystery tackle box yesterday and see what we got. Anyway, stay tuned. See if I can get a different angle here. Sorry for the hand there. Got me a new camera, but I haven't got a card and hadn't really figured it out yet, so hopefully that'll be coming in handy here pretty soon. I've got 12-pound Suffix mono on here, which seems to be a pretty good line. Trying to let it sink in some of these holes when they come across. Oh, that's way off. Let's get back over here. Get over here. There you go. There we go. Blind frog. A hole right there. Let it sink. Twitch. All right. Been throwing this Senko. Oh, I just popped that hook right off of my face. Come here. Just been throwing a Senko on a weightless hook. Got us a nice little bass. Not too bad. He'll work. Those are good little fish right there, and he's been caught a bunch. But caught him right on the side of that duck house right over there. Just kind of threw it out there and let it sink. And started reeling in slow and just letting it stop, and he hit it. But nice little baby bass. We're gonna let him go, get him back in the water, catch, photo, and release. That's what it's all about. There he goes. All right, but yeah, we need to get rehooked. He yanked my Senko all apart. Anyway, I'm gonna get restrung. Try it again. I gotta catch one more, then I gotta go home. Well, I'm gonna call it a day. Been here about an hour or so and caught one little bass, but he was fun. Got to throw a couple different things today. Ended up with a tube bait. Didn't have much luck with it, but had fun. The Senko seems to always work. I don't know. Last year I was hooked on wacky rigs and caught quite a few good bass on them. Haven't really tried it this year yet, so I have to do a Senko wacky rig maybe tomorrow's the next day. Anyway, I'm out of here. Enjoy your day. Spend some quality time with the people you love, and remember, take a kid fishing. Talk to you later.